In more rider news coming out from motocross now, because we're past Supercross, Joey Savagty has joined Monster Energy Kawasaki. This is the second time he's been with the Monster Energy Kawasaki team, the first time being back in 2019. And as you can see right here, it's probably one of his first, who knows, couple days riding the bike and getting reacquainted to the Kawasaki 450. He'll be racing as a fill-in rider for Adam Ciancirulo for the 2020 or 2022, motocross season. So who knows? We'll see how he does. Obviously, he's on one of the best teams in the sport, coming from probably one of the worst run teams in the sport. If you didn't remember, he was for the Supercross season on the now defunct BBMX or Rocky Mountain KTM, whatever you want to call it, team that blew up in flames, and he's since left. And, the Kawasaki Instagram team announcement: Monster Energy Kawasaki has come to an agreement with Joey Savagty for the number 17 rider to compete alongside number 21, which is Jason Anderson, on the KX 450 SR for the AMA Pro Motocross Series. That's pretty, it's great for him. He's always showed speed. He just has some injury problems, and these are from his pictures from his previous stint at Kawasaki. And him saying, quote, "I've had a lot of success with the team in the past, and I'm eager to continue building on that in the coming months. We're only a few weeks shy of the season opener, so we will aim to progress as the season goes on, but I'm confident my familiarity with the bike and the team will help speed along the process along. I'm optimistic about what we can achieve together this summer." This is pretty cool for him. Saying in his own Instagram post, "Beyond grateful for the opportunity. It feels awesome to be back with the boys at Race Kawasaki for the summer. I know what lays ahead as far as challenges are, and I couldn't be more excited to get to work." I think he's going to do great. Obviously, Kawasaki is always a strong team. He's going to have everything he needs around him on the factory squad. You tell me in the comments below, how well do you think he's going to do? Are you top 10 runner? Are we going to top 5 runner? Who knows? You tell me. Comments below. Make your opinions known. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all that fun things. Again, comment, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.